Hi, this is a short introductory video to Smart Notebook. It is aimed at teachers who are less confident with technology and/or teachers who rarely or haven't ever used Smart Notebook. In this video, we shall be answering the following three questions. What is Smart Notebook? Why do I need it? And where can I find it? So what is Smart Notebook? Basically, it is computer software which we can use to build up presentations and lessons. It is not unlike PowerPoint, the main difference being that it is designed specifically for teaching and with interaction in mind rather than simply presenting. Some of the basic functions of Smart Notebook include using the board to write on as you would any whiteboard or blackboard, showing colourful pictures to students, doing away with CDs and playing audio directly from the screen, typing, using the digital library to show excerpts on the board from either the course book your students have or the course book they don't have but you have decided to use for that lesson anyway. You can save your lessons so that you can reuse them in the future. You can export the work from your lesson and store a record of past lessons for future reference. If you want to, for example, prepare a review the next day, you can look back on your slides from the previous day. You can also share the board slides with your students so that they can have a paperless copy of all of the board work. So our next question is, why do I need to use Smart Notebook? There are many reasons why we should incorporate our IWBs into our class. In this video, I shall mention just a few. The first, and perhaps most obvious perk, is that technology can dramatically and oftentimes instantly increase student engagement. Today's learners are functioning in an age where technology drives almost every aspect of their lives. Therefore, it increases student engagement and motivation when used in the classroom. It can also offer mobility and promote learner independence. By this I mean that it can be used in conjunction with students' mobile phones and computers. Therefore, it can create on-the-go access, which is incredibly important as the most authentic experiences with the language often happen outside of the classroom. It can save time. Developing Smart Notebook lessons does not take extra time. It simply becomes a different way of spending preparation time. For example, by saving all of your lessons in digital format, it becomes very easy to find and pull one out again. This series of video tutorials will demonstrate many different ways in which technology can be used to save time. And finally, Smart Notebook is a great way to use visuals and audio to bring the outside world into the classroom. So where can I find Smart Notebook? Smart Notebook is located in the 3rd floor and 6th floor teachers' rooms and in every classroom with an IWB. You can therefore either prepare your lessons on Smart Notebook in your classroom or you can prepare them in the teachers' rooms. There are a couple of different versions of it. It might say Smart Notebook 11 or it might say Smart Notebook 16 or something like that, but they are all essentially the same. Just don't forget to save your prepared lessons onto a USB so that you can load it up in class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask Adam or I. We are both happy to help.